Hey, it's Greg here with MaritimeGardening.com. Season's greetings and almost Happy New Year, and I thought I would end 2025 and ring in the new year by announcing a winner to a contest I started in 2022, and also announce a couple chances to win going forward in the month of January. So what am I talking about? I have a Substack channel called MaritimeGardening.substack.com. I started writing articles for that channel in spring 2022, and when I did that, I announced that when I got 100 paid subscribers, I would give one of those people a $100 gift certificate at the gardening center of their choice, assuming this can all be done online. So it's been a few years since I announced that. I never got 100 paid subscribers. I got lots of subscribers, and a lot of my articles are free. I'm in the process of making just about everything free. But I never hit that 100 mark. I never got 100 paid subscribers. So I feel like I should give away something anyway, because a bunch of people subscribed. So I want to reward one of those regular readers, an ongoing contributor to that channel. So I'm going to do that right now. So that person's name is William Somerville. So I'm going to send you an email, William, and we'll connect up and we'll figure out a way to get you a $100 gift certificate at the gardening center of your choice. I recommend Bessie Seeds, but I recognize I have some viewers in the United States and other countries, so it's just not going to work. You're going to need one that can send you things. Sorry for the wind here. It's crazy windy. I'm in the forest here. The garden's over there just to get out of this wind. Okay, so William Somerville is the winner of the $100 gift certificate challenge, trying to get my Substack page subscriptions up to 100. But there's a chance for the rest of you. You can still win. Two chances. The first, and this is just for the month of January. Once January is over, the contest is over. So we got January to hit these marks. If I can get the Substack page up to 100 subscribers, that includes all the people that are already subscribed. Now, I mean paying subscribers. You can be an annual subscriber. You can also be a monthly subscriber. I don't care, as long as you're on my paid subscriber list. I can download the whole list. William was chosen randomly from downloading that list of paid subscribers. So as long as you're on my list of paid subscribers for my Substack page, MaritimeGardening.substack.com, if you're one of that first 100, I will contact you and you. So that means everybody that's already subscribed is still in the running. Hell, maybe even William could win it again, right? Everyone that's already subscribed is still in the running, and then them plus the new paid subscribers have a chance to win a $100 gift certificate at the gardening center of their choice, okay? If, by some miracle, in January, I get an additional 100 subscribers, boosting the channel up to 200 paid subscribers, or 300 or 400 or whatever, right? If that happens, out of every additional 100 subscribers, I will choose a winner and send them a $100 gift certificate at the gardening center of their choice. What do you get as a paid subscriber to my Substack page? Well, you get access to there's a small amount of stuff that's paid access only, like installments on my book, that sort of thing. But also, if you read one of my articles, whether it's a recipe or anything like that, if you want to comment on the article, you have to be a paid subscriber. So if you have a question or a comment or constructive criticism, I'm open to all that. Or you see a typo, that'd be great. You have to be a paid subscriber to contact me to speak to that. At the same time, if you are a paid subscriber and you make a comment on one of my articles, that email goes directly to me. So you get direct access in a sense. Also, by having that level of access, and I respond thoroughly to all the messages, comments I get on my Substack articles. Also, because many of those comments and emails tend to be very thoughtful, you also get to be kind of like part of the editorial board of the channel in a sense, because I derive a lot of ideas for new videos for this channel based on the input from those very dedicated, engaged readers and listeners. So that's what you get for a paid subscription. You can just subscribe for a month, or you can subscribe for a whole year. Either way, you're in the running for that great gift certificate. But if you don't like paying for things, right? If you still want to win a $100 gift certificate at the gardening center of your choice, assuming I can purchase that for you online and get you connected up, which shouldn't be too hard in this modern day and age. If you still want to win $100, there's another way to do it without spending any money at all. All you have to do is be one of the first 1,000 subscribers to my new gardening YouTube channel. So I've got this channel. This is the channel with all the subscribers that have been running all along, Maritime Gardening. I've got a new YouTube channel that I'm moving all of my podcast content to. And that channel is called the Maritime Gardening Podcast YouTube channel. Maritime Gardening Podcast. I've got links to it in the description box of this video. I'll put a couple, images and stuff like that up on this video as well, so you can see what I'm talking about. I have 2 YouTube channels for my gardening content, one for the podcast, and one for just being out in the garden and in the kitchen doing stuff. I call one channel the doing stuff channel, and the other one's the talking channel, right? Maritime Gardening is the doing stuff channel. Maritime Gardening Podcast is the talking about stuff channel. I'm splitting that up, and I have split that up because I do not think YouTube treats... I think it just sees those 2 audiences as very different kinds of people, and I can see why that might be the case. So the new podcast channel was created a couple of months ago. I've been moving stuff. I have to recapture and re-edit and redo all of my old podcasts and put them on there. It's not a simple process, not like just flicking a switch. Everything has to be gradually moved over. And I got a few hundred podcast episodes. So it's a lot of effort to move it over there. To date, I got about 200, give or take, subscribers. So people who watch this channel and have also subscribed to that channel, 200. So in a sense, YouTube's right. The audiences, I got like 60,000, that's a roundup. Like 56,000 subscribers to this channel and only 200 to the new channel, so YouTube's kind of right. There's the kind of person that wants to just listen to someone talk about something for an hour is different than the person that wants to watch someone do stuff for 15 minutes. I get it, right? But the podcast, where it's either me just talking for an hour, or what's more typically the case, I'm talking to an expert, asking them the kind of questions I think a curious gardener would want to know. That's how I started this whole thing, and I still think it's good stuff. I think it provides a good service to inquisitive, intellectually curious gardeners like myself. So that's why I keep doing that, even though from a business point of view I should have dropped it a couple of years ago. I keep doing it because I think they're good conversations. So please, if you're watching my YouTube channel, Maritime Gardening, and you get something out of the conversations I have with various experts I have on the podcast show, please subscribe to that new YouTube channel, Maritime Gardening Podcast. Costs nothing. And if you're one of the first 1,000 to subscribe to that channel, you can win $100 at the gardening center of your choice. Gift certificate. All right, so I hope all that made sense. Also, I guess I should announce, I'm pretty sure I've announced it previously, but my regular sponsor of this, of everything I do, of the podcast, of the YouTube channels, of my Substack page, Vessey's Seeds, they have re-upped with me for another year. So if you want to get free shipping on, the details are in the description box here, but the caveats, there's very few, but the gist of it is that it has to be, you have to buy something from their current 2026 catalog. Unless it's huge, unless it's what they call an oversized item, like a weed whacker or something, right? Something big and heavy. But if you use my coupon code GAVS26, you get free shipping. So it's a great deal, right? When you consider you can order things like potatoes and apple trees and grape trees and strawberry starts, right? Like you can get things like that. That all falls under the envelope of free shipping. So it's a great way to save a few bucks if you're trying to do something new in your garden, especially if you're putting in one of those big seed orders, right? It saves money. Also, Veseys is very interesting in their model. They don't send you things until it's time to plant. So let's say in the same order that you order some seed. Let's say you want to order some seeds from Vesey Seeds, but you also want to order some seed potatoes, like a bag of potatoes, and you want to order some sort of transplant, like maybe a blueberry bush, or maybe some strawberries, right? They come in a bundle of, I don't know how many, but a fair number of strawberry plants all come in a bundle with bare root. Or an apple tree, right? Let's say you want to order all of those things, or some asparagus, right? The kind you transplant. They'll send the seeds right away, but they won't send the potatoes until it's time to plant potatoes where you live. They won't send the apple tree until it's time to plant the apple tree where you live, right? And I don't know how they keep track of all that, but they do. So that's very handy. If you want to think, if you do like I do, and I always make a video on this in January, where I figure out what I'm going to do, where everything's going to go, and what I'm going to need. And I just order it all in one go. I start thinking about it in January, and I tinker around with this big sort of drawing, a map of my garden, where everything's going to go and how much of everything I'm going to need. And and then I just put the whole order in one go. And then it comes in dribs and drabs when it's time to plant them. So I don't have to think about it anymore. A big element of my channel is try to show how to do everything the easy way, right? Lazy gardening. Big garden, lots of output, not a lot of work. That's what I'm all about. Veseys helps you do that with this interesting technique they have for sending things to you when it's time to plant them. And if you use my coupon code GAVS26, you get free shipping. Details in the description box. Okay, so I hope that all made, and of course, any one of you, if you're one of the winners of these various contests I've got going on, I'd be happy to give you a gift certificate for Vesey's Seeds. Okay, so just to recap, subscribe to my Substack page, even if it's just for a month. This is for the month of January, this whole promo, okay? This is a January thing. End of January, it's all over. I'll announce the winners at the beginning of February. Okay? If you're one of the first 100 subscribers to my Substack page, you get a $100 gift certificate at the gardening center of your choice. If you're one of the first 1,000 subscribers to my new YouTube channel, Maritime Gardening Podcast, you can win a $100 gift certificate at the gardening center of your choice. I'll find a way to contact you. I'll announce the winner on this channel. Now I have to go email William Somerville and tell him he just won $100 worth of stuff, which for most people is probably enough for a season of gardening. All right. Anyway, it's the end of the year, so thank you, all of you, for everything you've done, even if it's just watching my videos or liking and subscribing or subscribing to various things or becoming a paid subscriber to my Substack page. Thanks for everything you do to help keeping this going. 2025 was a great year in my garden. I hope it was in yours. And I'm hoping, like all optimistic gardeners, that 2026 is even better. And I hope 2 of you win these things. Okay, so thanks for everything. Happy almost New Year, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.